I'm just so overwhelmed. I can't really just give just one, but I'm so overwhelmed. But I think my greatest Falcon moment is just meeting people and joining a fraternity that I love so much.
My Falcon moment was winning a national championship with the Bowling Green State University men's rugby team.
Winning the national championship for BG Rugby.
I was going down to North Carolina and winning a rugby national championship with some of the closest friends I've ever had. It's a memory I'll never forget.
My Falcon moment was playing 4 years of college baseball.
Being with friends. Being with friends made this special to me.
Just hanging out with friends and enjoying the college experience.
Winning the MAC championship this past year, we came in with a record of not winning one game, so winning the MAC championship is the best Falcon moment I could ever ask for.
When I was also involved in dance marathon at BGSU. Being a morale captain last year really inspired me and pushed me to want to go into nonprofit events.
I met a lot of my best friends through it, and it was for a great cause, and it just was something that I'll always remember when I think of BGSU.
My Falcon moment was when I actually started my online courses and pulled my first A.
My Falcon moment was when I found my degree in Human Development and Family Studies and made me realize that I really have a passion to help people, and the faculty at BG made my dreams possible.
Being a published scientific author is pretty cool.
My Falcon moment was just being able to come here to a great institution, get away from my hometown and come to a great college and get a great education.
My Falcon moment was being able to join multiple organizations on campus and to stand out, belong, and go far.
I'm actually starting my full-time job on Monday following graduation. I am a sales and marketing position at Alphalet Marketing.
After commencement, I am going to Disney for an internship for the spring semester.
I accepted a full-time offer with Sherwin-Williams for the management and training program.
Hosting a radio show here for the next semester.
I am actually going to do a program called City Year. It's down in Columbia, South Carolina, so I'm going to be working as a peer mentor in an under-resourced school.
I'm actually training right now to go play in Mexico.
I'm going to work as an outdoor educator up in Jackson, Michigan, and then I'm going to come back in the fall for a graduate program as a master's student.
I'm substitute teaching right now, hopefully getting a job sometime soon.
As a single mom of twin boys, this has been a milestone of completion, just to put that example in front of them. So we'll see, sky's the limit.